Have you ever called a function before it was defined in your code and it just worked? That is hoisting. Let's look at exactly why that happens. Every time JavaScript runs a piece of code, it first creates an execution context. There are two phases, the creation phase and the execution phase. Hoisting happens during the creation phase. During the creation phase, the engine scans the code before running a single line. It finds all function declarations and stores them in memory. It finds all var variables and sets them to undefined. This is why function declarations are fully available before their definition. The engine added them to memory in the creation phase. They are hoisted, lifted to the top of their scope. Var variables are also hoisted, but only their declaration, not their value. Accessing a var before its assignment gives you undefined, not an error. This is a common source of bugs. Let and const are also technically hoisted, but they are not initialized. Accessing them before their declaration throws a reference error. This dead zone between hoisting and initialization is called the temporal dead zone. Function expressions and arrow functions assigned to variables behave like their variable type. A var holding an arrow function is hoisted as undefined. A const arrow function is in the temporal dead zone. The execution context also creates the this binding and a reference to the outer environment for the scope chain. These three things, variable object, scope chain, and this, form the execution context record.